Hey there! Are you tired of jumping between apps, tools, and spreadsheets just to get a clear picture of your business? It's frustrating, right? What if I told you there's a way to connect over 2,000 apps and manage all your data in one simple platform? Meet Boost.space, your new best friend for turning chaos into clarity. Today, we're talking about the Boost.space lifetime deal, an incredible offer that could save you time and money while supercharging your workflows. Let's dive in and see what it's all about. What exactly is Boost.space? Boost.space is a cloud-based data integration and management platform designed to centralize, synchronize, and standardize data from over 2,000 apps. It allows you to connect tools like Shopify, Calendly, Stripe, and Notion without coding, creating a unified database that updates in real time. With features like AI-powered data enrichment, pre-built modules, and customizable fields, Boost.space ensures your data is consistent, actionable, and always up to date. Trust me, once you start using it, you'll wonder how you managed without it. Lifetime opportunity, unbeatable deal on AppSumo, don't delay. Normally, tools with this kind of power cost a fortune in annual subscriptions. But with this AppSumo lifetime deal, you pay just once and enjoy it forever. Yes, forever. Here's the breakdown of the plan so you can pick the one that suits you best. License Tier 1, $69, worth $348. Includes 50,000 operations per month, 5,000 records, 1 admin, 15-minute sync for non-real-time apps, real-time two-way sync. License Tier 2, $179, worth $828. Includes 100,000 operations per month, 10,000 records, 2 admins, API token prioritization. License Tier 3, $309, worth $1,980. Includes 200,000 operations per month, 20,000 records, 3 admins, 5-minute sync for non-real-time apps. Check the link in the description to grab your deal before it's gone. What makes Boost.space stand out? Connect 2,000 plus apps. Whether it's Shopify, Calendly, or Stripe, Boost.space integrates seamlessly with all your favorite tools. No coding required. Not a tech wizard? No problem. Boost.space makes it easy to set up integrations without writing a single line of code. Real-time syncing. Update data in one app, and it instantly updates everywhere else. Your data stays consistent, accurate, and reliable. AI-enhanced data. Boost.space doesn't just store your data, it makes it smarter. Use AI to standardize and enrich your data, so it's always actionable. Pre-built modules. From contracts to invoices, pre-built modules let you start syncing important data right away. Customizable dashboard. Make Boost.space your own with custom branding, fields, and easy-to-use tools. Who should use Boost.space? E-commerce businesses, marketing agencies, sales teams, consultants and coaches, startups, freelancers, project managers. Do any of these sound like you? Then Boost.space is worth checking out. Get more with AppSumo, extra 10% off now available. Here's a little pro tip, you can snag an additional 10% off this deal. Here's how. Visit the AppSumo Boost.space lifetime deal page. Enter your email to unlock the discount. Check your inbox for a promo code. It's that simple. Don't miss this chance to save even more on an already amazing deal. What do users say about Boost.space? This Boost.space lifetime deal is a rare opportunity to simplify your data management and save money. Check the link in the description, explore all the features, and grab your deal before it's gone. Remember, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tools and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.